are seven basic human emotions: joy, anger, fear, surprise, contempt, sadness, and disgust. Reflect many facets of a real life experience. Through several million years of evolution and nature-human interaction, we carry these emotions with us because they have helped us to survive as a species and to thrive as a result of it. They are essentially an integral part of what makes us human. How to Win Nature and Enjoy Good Life explores innate human traits and their relationship with nature. It primarily deals with love, relationship, marriage, food, and everyday family life. How to Win Nature and Enjoy Good Life. Available on Amazon. Prabhash Karan is an Indian engineer, computer scientist, sociologist, and writer. He wrote 5 books on social engineering. He is the founder of the Indian Social Science Organization in India. He is a naturalist and an ardent believer of Mother Nature. He is one individual who is passionately optimistic about life. To him, life is so beautiful.